Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix control center on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have updated your iPhone to latest iOS version on your iPhone and after that you see that your control center is not responding well or not working well. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS on your iPhone. For this, you can simply go to general and check for the software update. And the next thing you can do is you can simply search for the control center settings. So here, if you find the control center settings, then you can simply find it here. So here you have to simply click on that. So if you find your control center isn't working properly, then you can simply see that the option is available that you have to swipe down top right edge to control or open center. So you can also enable it to use it within the apps. Moreover, you can simply reset your control center. So if you reset your control center, then you have to simply add your control center settings again. Maybe that you have simply reset the control center recently. That's why it is not working well. So here you have to simply top down right and you have to simply press and hold. Then here you can simply find all the settings related to control center. Here you can simply find all the settings related to control center, which means if you want to add anything in the control center, you can simply add or remove that thing from the control center. Here you can simply check for the setting, but if it is not working, then there is the only option that you can simply reset your control center, and after that you can simply set it again on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.